Alright, I got it recording. As soon as it loads up, we're going to get ready.
Come here. Please.
Focus in. Oh, come on. We'll get it here.
Okay, find the graphics.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Everybody ain't here. Hopefully everybody's joining in a minute. That's alright. I'm sitting here waiting at the gate. You'll see what I'm talking about when I post
I'm not
it.
in the gate yet.
You'll
Keep
see what I
pushing
post
start,
it.
everybody.
Yeah, here we are.
Hang on a second. Who's on a 450? Me.
I am.
I do. Oh, that's a plane road. Take the planes off. Boy, got that whole shot, didn't he? Oh, let's go. Wow, there's like a 450. I like those. I'm stuck in it now. I'm in it. Head down, see? Oh, why did I try to do it? There's also free there. Idea. Who's also H354? I can't even beat one dude. Well, Lonnie, I can't even catch up to him. Yeah. All the way back here. Ooh.
Sorry, man.
Who's on 450?
I am.
We're way back here. Woo! I hate 125. I can't clear anything. Yeah, I know. Oh, that's where I'm going right now. That 450 got me way out for him. Yeah. I always want to try something.
Because I'm playing with y'all, man. We're going to be posting in a bit. Ghetto's going to be in it. Oh! That's going to be in it. Woo! Are you riding Yamaha?
Yeah.
Oh!
Wow. Great. I need to go to Indo from like... This freaking week, I hate him. Roll up, cat. Everybody out here race online tournament? I did like a year ago. Very quick. How about this?
Look at that. Right in the picture. We're making a meeting here, alright? Wow!
See, I hate this little ball, like this deep garden mode. I think that was their failed attempt at that. Yeah. Seriously! Seriously! That is on YouTube. And I will never let you down. Let you live that down.
I didn't mean to run you over.
Okay. I'll pay back. Hey, you mate. Yeah. You're just getting insulate from my papa.
Man, I hope you got insurance.
Yeah, he invited me. Oh, I ain't going, are you?
Invite him to hear it.
I was about to after the race. On G behind me. Are you meaning to stay back in fourth place?
I wasn't back to playing with y'all yet. Now I'm going off track.
Hey, did y'all see that new live track they released? No. Got like 45 palms in X. It's pretty cool. That's sweet. Wait, what is it? You can buy it for this? No, you gotta, when the live comes out. Like their website just shows like tracks and stuff. Like if you just go to mx144.com, you got a garage, it'll show you all the new stuff they're showing you.
Alright. You're going to see the times here now, right? Okay. Then we're going to stop.
151. 149. Oh, that awesome pass on Lonnie. Is anything about